Welcome SATS Busters to question 1. And this one is all about reflection and symmetry. Although it doesn't actually say reflection, all we're actually doing is reflecting this shape across the mirror line to the other side. So it says, here is a shape on a grid. Complete the design so that it is symmetrical about the mirror line. Now the mirror line is this dotted line down the middle here. We've got to use a ruler. Now the easiest way to reflect a shape is to actually reflect the corners first, and then once you've reflected all the corners, just join all the reflected corners up. So we'll start with this corner here, and if you count the squares to the mirror line, it is 1, 2, 3 squares to the mirror line, so we need to do 1, 2, 3 squares on the other side, and that corner will be reflected. Next, we'll do this corner. Now, although you can't actually see the grid behind, it's pretty obvious that it's 2 squares to the mirror line, so we need to go 2 squares on the other side, the same distance, 1, 2. So that corner is going to go there. This corner down at the bottom is 1, 2 squares to the mirror line, so we need to go 1, 2 on the other side, so that corner is going to go there. And obviously we've got this corner here, which is already on the mirror line, so when we reflect it, it is going to stay on the mirror line. Now, so all we've got to do now is join these corners up. Obviously you would use a ruler for this. If it says to use a ruler and you don't use a ruler, like I'm not at the moment, then they may actually knock your mark off. So make sure you do use a ruler. There's question 1 completed. We've reflected the shape, we've flipped over the shape so that it's been reflected on the other side of the mirror line.